installing an Eliason bi-mount bracket strip door. This video will show the basics of installing an Eliason strip door using a bi-mount installation bracket in a wall-mounted installation. It will also be helpful for header-mounted installations. Please read and understand the installation instructions. Always practice safe lifting techniques throughout the entire installation. Now let's get started. Installation will require the following tools: level, tape measure, electric drill, drill bit set. Wall preparation. First, center and level the bracket on the wall and mark the hole locations for attaching the bracket. This video will show a wall mount installation. Next, drill pilot holes and secure the bracket with the pan head screws provided. Strip installation. The end strips are marked with a sticker indicating the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are specially sized to provide the correct overlap. It is important to place these in the correct location. The unmarked strips are the same width and are placed between the numbered strips. Beginning with the strip marked number 1, hook the strip into the wall bracket, sliding it all the way to the left. Follow the unmarked strips until you are about 1 strip width from the end. Place the strip marked number 2 at the end of the wall bracket. Loosely mount the front bracket on the rear bracket using the 1/4 inch by 20 bolts supplied. Do not tighten fully at this time. Place the strip marked number 3 into the front bracket, sliding it all the way to the left. Insert the remaining unmarked strips. Finally, place the last strip marked number 4 at the end of the front bracket. Wrap up. Tighten the bolts securely, but do not over-tighten. Your strip door is complete. We hope this video was helpful. For more information on Eliason's products, visit our website at www.eliasoncorp.com.